Hi, I'm Sam Rees. I'm Loop Technologies Marketing Director. I look after PR, comms and all things marketing at Loop along with my team. Loop are an industrial automation specialist. We're an innovative robotics and engineering company.
I'm Raj Shekhar. I work in Loop Technologies as a software analyst. I'm responsible in the delivering of how a robot works, how to design a robot and how the movement of the robot must be as per the requirements from the customer. This new year has started me in a completely different way. I changed my job over here. I moved to Poundbury. My kid changed her school from Edinburgh to Poundbury, and even my wife, she used to work in Edinburgh and she's now started doing work from home. It's a very positive change.
We've grown to plus 80 people now. This location is brilliant. The workforce have a lot of green space, there's lots of parks, you know, they can go for walks, de-stress, lunchtime. There's lots of opportunities for social engagement here. We've got some gorgeous little cafes, garden centres, we have schools, nurseries, you name it. I mean, there's a lot going on here. People that are putting the nuts and bolts together, a whole myriad of different people reflect our workforce here.
My name is Daisy and I am an office assistant working in the finance department. I cycle into work every day, there and back. It's a nice, easy cycle, apart from the big hill at the start of Poundbury. We get a lot of people that come and work for us because we're based in Poundbury, because it's a nice place to live.
It's just a really charming place, great architecture.
The architecture is totally new. I feel like it's a complete different country. I felt Poundbury very friendly. Whenever I go for a walk, I do meet many people.
It's a nice mix of people that want to be out in the countryside but also want the convenience of being in a town.
People are very proud to have Loop technology here. We do local tours for residents and people to come and have a look around. There's a great deal of interest in what we do. We had a resident recently contact us because he had some problems with his roof. He's got a 3-storey house. Scaffolding was going to be really expensive. Was there anybody here that had a drone? We had lots of volunteers. Our engineers were very keen. We managed to get some great photographs of his roof and sort out what the problem was without any scaffolding.
It's very lucky to work for Loop. It's such a nice company. We have such a strong kind of social scene. Really glad that I get to work for a company that's doing such interesting work while still being able to live kind of where I grew up. For this kind of work, I would have thought I'd have to move away, but I haven't.